right, let's see.
A blast from the past. Fifth grade students at Beaufort Elementary School opened up a time capsule they buried when they were in first grade. Their former teacher, who moved to York, South Carolina 3 years ago, even came back to check out what was inside.
I knew whenever we left that it was going to be something we had to come back for, and I was just excited for that. So every year I kept counting and doing the math, like, okay, how many more years? And so it's something that was just always in the back of my mind. It's something that I just never really forgot about. I just was so excited to come back and be able to see them when they were bigger. It was almost better that I moved, that I hadn't seen them for so long, that it was kind of fun to see just how much they've grown since the years that I left.
The time capsule was filled with pictures of the kids, letters their parents wrote to them, small toys, and even a questionnaire students filled out about things they liked when they were in first grade.
In first grade, my best friend's name was Ariana. My favorite food was eggs.
Some of the fifth grade students don't even attend Beaufort Elementary anymore, but when they found out the time capsule was being opened, they couldn't wait to come back.
I remembered how I put my first toy in there. I put my Gigan, my little figured Gigan in there. Kind of like an enemy of Godzilla, which is kind of like giant monsters and stuff, giant monster movies. It was pretty cool how I did it, but when I was little, I cried, because that was like my favorite toy.
It was pretty cool because I'm in fifth grade now, and it's been a few years since I actually opened this and see how my handwriting was and how I looked. So it's very surprising to me.
The students and their families had fun looking at the pictures, reading the letters, and spending time with their former teacher.
Just remember the things that we did in first grade. It's easy to forget the things that we do. And I just hope it just kind of brings back those memories of when they were 6 years old and just some of the things that we did in that class.
At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.